As you could see, you want to look at this question, that is 2016 Science 3 Test of Practical Work, and the question we'll be looking at today is question 4b. Looking at this diagram is a preparation of a particular gas. As we dive into the question, we'll be able to know the name of the gas. Now let us read the questions and we attempt it. Question 4b reads, the diagram below is an illustration of a setup used to test for a gas in the laboratory. So from here, we have to understand that it's a laboratory preparation of a particular gas. Study the diagram carefully and use it to answer the question that follow. Now the diagram is given. We have seen the test tube, delivery tube, stopper, so on and so forth. Now let us read Roman figure 1. Name the parts labeled 1 and 2. From the diagram, we are asked to name those two parts. Let us move to Roman figure 2. Name the gas that is being tested for. We will answer the questions as we finish reading them. Roman figure 3. Write a blank equation for the reaction that produces the gas named in 4b. Roman figure 2. The gas that is named at question 4b, Roman figure 2. We are asked to write a balanced chemical equation for it. That is the reaction between sodium bicarbonate and dilute HCl. You are given dilute here is trying to tell us that the concentration of the acid is being reduced. So here we have a dilute HCl. State what is observed in the test tube containing the lime water. So these are the questions that fall from this question, that is 4b. Yes, let us try to answer the questions. It's a WASSCE past question from 2016. We have seen the question. Now, question 4b, Roman figure 1 reads again, name the parts labeled 1 and 2. By looking at this part here, we should know that this is the cock or the stopper. Let us answer it. Cock or stopper. And when you look at it, this one will prevent the gas from escaping. So that's why it is put here, the stopper or the cock. So here we answer it by writing cock, C-O-R-K. If you want, you write stopper. Part 2, looking at the part from the diagram, we have it as delivery tube. This is where the gas will pass through when it leaves the test tube. So we have what? Delivery tube. Yes, we have finished answering question 4b, Roman figure 1. Let us move to the next question. Name the gas that is being tested for. I will give you this clue. The moment you see a particular compound with another compound, mostly this carbonate, your mind should tell you that the gas mostly that will be prepared will be what? Carbon dioxide. So here from this carbonate, metallic carbonate or bicarbonate mostly, you can react them with HCl to produce carbon dioxide. So from here, even without writing the chemical equation, we should know that the gas that will be prepared will be what? Will be carbon dioxide. So let us write it, the name of the gas that is being prepared for. Looking at this carbonate, we should know that is carbon dioxide. So here we write it. Or we write the chemical formula, that is CO2. So listen. Now the next question reads, write a balanced equation for the reaction that produce the gas in 4b. Roman figure 2. We have to understand the question. We are asked to write a balanced chemical equation. So here they are asking us to write the reaction between this sodium bicarbonate and the dilute HCl. So we are asked when they react, the chemical equation is what the question is asking us to do. So here from the question, there is a reaction between sodium bicarbonate and HCl. In any chemical equation, you must have reactant side and the product. So in this side we have the reactant, and here we will have our product. Now let us write the reactant. We write what? Sodium we write sodium bicarbonate is reacting with dilute HCl. We just write HCl. Then now from here the cation have to react with the anion. We have sodium chloride. The valency for sodium is 1 and chlorine is 1. That's why we have it like this. Sodium chloride, water will be produced. You have plus water, and from this, when you see carbonate, you have to know that the gas that will produce will be carbon dioxide. So we have CO2. So if you want, you write the state of matter. This one is white, solid, sodium bicarbonate. We put S for solid. This one in aqueous, dissolved in water, or the solvent is water, aqueous, AQ. This one at the product side from the mixture, this one also will be aqueous. Is a salt, also is a soluble salt, sodium chloride. Water is a liquid, the state of matter L, and carbon dioxide is a gas G. It's a gas G. So let us check whether the equation is balanced. Here in every chemical equation, all the elements that you have in this side, you must have them here. Without it, the chemical equation is not correct. So here we have sodium in this side, we write it. We have hydrogen, we have carbon, we have oxygen, we have chlorine. The same thing. What do you have? The elements that we have in this side, we're supposed to have them here. We have sodium, hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, and chlorine. So now to balance a particular equation, they're asking you the number of atoms that are in this side. At the reactant side, you must have them for each element at the product side. That is what is meant by a balanced chemical equation. Now let us look at the number of atoms in the reactant side. Here we have what? Na, which is sodium, one atom of sodium. Then hydrogen, we have one hydrogen here, and this one. So if we say 1 plus 1, that will give us 2 atoms of hydrogen in this side. Then for carbon, we have one carbon here, we write 1. Oxygen, we have 3 atoms of oxygen, we write 3. For chlorine, we have 1 atom of chlorine, we write 1. Now let us go to this side. Sodium, how many atoms do we have? We have only 1, so we write 1. Hydrogen, how many? We have 2 atoms of hydrogen here, then we have 2. Then for carbon, how many do we have here? We have only 1 atom of carbon, then we have 1. Now we look at oxygen, we have 1 atom of oxygen here and another 2, so 1 plus these 2 will give us 3. For chlorine, let's look at it. Chlorine, we have only 1 atom of chlorine, so we have 1. Now let us check whether all the atoms that we have for each element in this side, whether we have the same thing. So sodium is 1, sodium is 1, for sodium is balanced. Hydrogen 2, hydrogen is 2, it is also balanced. Then we have carbon 1, carbon 1, oxygen 3, oxygen 3, chlorine 1, chlorine 1. So the equation is already balanced. They ask us a balanced chemical equation. Now from there, the next question asks us to state what is observed in the test tube containing the lime water. So from the question, the gas has to evolve from here, reactant pass through the delivery tube, then move to this test tube where you have the lime water. So they're asking us to state what is observed in the test tube containing the lime water. What will be observed here? So they are just asking us for the test of carbon dioxide. If this gas is bubble here, the answer will be it turns the lime water milky. So state what is observed in the test tube containing the lime water. So if the gas is, so what we will observe there is that the lime water will turn to milky. In a simple term, the lime water turns to milky. So this was the question. You have seen the answers. Seen the question earlier. From the diagram, the parts, you have the cock, the delivery tube. The name of the gas is carbon dioxide. From the chemical equation we have seen it, and this is a balanced chemical equation for the preparation of this gas using sodium bicarbonate. So the test for the gas, the lime water turns to milky. So I'll give you another method in which you can prepare. This was 20, the question was from WASSCE. 2016. Away from this, we have another method